Hey guys, we've got the east dock, or east side dock, just about all the way done. This is the wave break out on the outside of it. You see all the poles that are in there. We got the horizontal poles still put in place, but those are all 30 footers and 25 footers driven down pretty deep. You can see the main center dock is completed, a long one there, and then we're going to be moving over to the far west side here now. Get started on the outside dock out there, start putting some more wave break poles in out there. The guys are up here on the east dock right now getting all framed up, just about got it all connected together. Thank you so much to the homeowner that snapped this picture for us up in the condos. It gives you a real good bird's eye view of how this is turning out. We really appreciate it. This is definitely starting to look quite impressive. A lot of pilings. Still got a lot more to go. This is the west dock here. We still got to get it built back. Say hi to our newest returning member, Mr. Jacob. Hey. Say hi to all YouTube fans. Should barge back over to that side now. Got these big old monsters. You see, these suckers are big. Big old 25 footers, and I would say they're at least 12-inch tops. Here I thought was pretty crazy. Look at the marina there. Look at this one. Look at the one over there we're building.
You're good.
This thing's just humongous. And then once I get done with this one, I get to build this one here on this side all the way back up into there. Chief finally made it in today. He's been lazy. Puts his paws up on the back of my truck and won't jump in. Wants me to pick him up. But he sure don't mind jumping out. Chief, what are you doing? He likes me to baby him. Come here, boy. Had this pole out of square just a little bit, so over here working on this, getting it back into square, right where it needs to be, get it screwed up, and get this deck leveled back up, and we'll be ready to deck this front section up. This is where the transformer is actually going to sit, so we're going to put some synthetic decking there, solid decking, instead of the through flow decking. Cool shot here, just looking at the whole marina. See the outside of the east dock right here. Most eastward side, and we'll go and spin around. You see all the slips, still working on putting the mooring poles in here. Moving over to the center dock right here. Got the center dock. Keep on swinging around, you can see that. Quite impressive when you look at it from the air like this, like, oh my gosh. We got one more dock to do over there on the west side, far side. It's basically just a loading dock. It goes out 360 feet, and that's for the dry storage people putting their boats on that dock there. I'm getting ready to pull on this slip right here and start checking to see if there's any stuff on the bottom here. Pretty cool site here. We're over here working this marina, and then Alan's crew is running a barge over there. His barge over to landfall, they're doing a boat lift over there. So just come over here, pick up some pilings off the dock that we got, head over that way to install boat lift. Pilings are all in the way. picked the wrong dock. Gotta get run all the way around to the other one. Come on, guys, you missed the boat. Come on. You missed the boat. Come on, Scout. Come on, Scout. Oh. I'm not going there either. You gotta go all the way around. All the way down there, across there, back out here. Chief. Morning, Chief. Wave break going in real good over here on this side. Just dropped some poles off to him up there. You got a little stand for the poles, and then had to move out of the way. Got Alan's crew coming in right now with their barge. And set some more mooring poles for me in there. Got both of us working over here now. Trying to get this thing knocked out. Example of our wave break system right here. This is the inside. You look on the outside out there, you see it is rocking and rolling. It's doing real good. We're fixing to get into that rocking and rolling. Got to go around back to the boat ramp. See how nice and calm the water is inside our basin. Doing an excellent job. Wave break's doing pretty good. On the inside, it's nice and calm. good design by our GM, Bill Franklin. Look at that, big difference. Hey guys, really appreciate you checking out my videos. It means a lot to me. I've had a lot of comments, a lot of people calling the office. If you would, just leave me a comment here on here on YouTube. I'm doing YouTube, has a little bit of financial income to it. When you're calling the office, I'm speaking to you outside of that. It does no good for me, but I know y'all want to talk to me. If you would, just write your comments here and I'll be happy to answer them. But I really do appreciate you watching the videos, and leave your comments and give me likes. Y'all keep checking it out. We're getting close to having this marina section here done. We've got the east dock we're completing now, putting the wave breaks in. Got the center dock done. I've got a couple more mooring poles to put in there, a few more actually. But I'm also going in there cleaning the slips out, making sure there's nothing on the bottom, no old boats or pilings that are broke off underneath there, or cables or ropes from the marina where it was tied up before, just so they don't get hung up in people's props. I'm trying to make sure he's bringing the barge in now, make sure we're not hitting the dock. But yeah, once we get done with that, then we got another dock on the other side, the west side over there. We're gonna get started on that, and that's the main dock for the lift area where the people keep the boats in dry storage. That'll be pretty cool. It'll go a lot quicker than these two here. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate you checking out my page and my channel here, and leave me the comments you do. Y'all have a good day. No. What's the matter, Gat? What's the matter? She said, yeah, what's the matter? What's the matter, Gat? You try to get over here? Come on. Come on, Gat. So where are we headed to, Chief? Huh? Where you want to go? Go get a hamburger? We'll go get a treat? Go get a treat from Whataburger? Oh, Chief. Hey y'all, thanks for continuously checking out my videos, and if you're new to checking it out, I appreciate it. If you would, give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. If you got any comments, leave them right here on the page. I can get back to you a lot easier here than going through the emails. While I'm sitting on the tractor, I try to answer some of the questions. But if you'd like to see more of our projects, you can go to the Facebook page /Dales Marine. We've got 7 crews total that are doing this job, so I'm only videoing what we're doing. Thanks a lot.